Hi, welcome to this week's update at Walton Haven Model Railway. This week I've been mainly concentrating on the raised section at the back of the layout which covers the fiddle yards. This section is hinged that will allow the access under the board in case of derailment or for track cleaning. On top of the board, at this joint here and also here, will be some track joiners that allow alignment once the boards are raised and lowered. The trains will access the upper section from this siding over the girder bridge. Along here will be viaduct sections. I'm going to be using the Hornby style because they'll need chopped about a bit, and hopefully it'll work. If not, I can try something else. So trains will come up to a point. From this section here, they will run down to a siding. Here I'm going to be putting warehouses and loading docks for goods to be loaded. The line that continues this way will then come to a station here for a small station, continue round and then disappear down to a stop. I think what I'm going to do is put a road bridge over so that it's a scenic break, and rather put a buffer stop in, I might permanently fix a container box van wagon in there so it acts like a stop so trains can't go further. This section here, this little siding, will have a cattle loading dock to go with a farm scene here. So on the raised section there'll be a farm, a station, and over here will be a warehouse come industrial area, possibly a couple more houses. Coming down the section that goes over the branch line will be a road and possibly a small stream that comes out of a culvert from this sort of area. The branch line goes under a tunnel from here, just a short tunnel, then re-emerges here back out to the branch. I've also been lifting the track, putting extra dropper wires down, and started to put the cork bedding down using 3mm cork. I did make the mistake of using some that I already had prior to the cork arriving and found it's only 1.5, so I'll have to either remove that or pack it up to get the same height. So just been doing sections at a time. And buy the cork in a roll and then just cut 35mm strips out, as well as whatever sections for points, etc. So that's what I've got done this week. Thank you for watching.